My name is Renu Sharma. Today we will do phonics, the alphabetical phonics. So we will start from here. A. This is A. A says A. A says A. A. Apple. Ant. Aeroplane. A says A. A says A. A. Apple. Ant. Aeroplane. B says, now B says B. B says B. B says B. Bat. Bus. Ball. B says bat. Bus. Ball. C. C says K. C says K. Cake. Candle. C for candle. C for cake. C says K. C for cake. C for candle. C for cat. Now D says D. D for door. D for doll. D for dog. So D says D. D for doll. D for door. D for dog. Now E. E says A. E says A. E says A. E for elephant. E for egg. E for engine. So E says A. E says A. E for egg. E for elephant. E for engine. F. F says F. F says F. F for fig. F for fig. F for fish. F for fan. F says F says pronounce it. F says lips. Keep your lips like this and F says F for fig. F for fish. F for fan. Now next G. G says G. G says G. G for grapes. G for goat. G for gate. So G says G. G says G. G says G. G for grapes. G for goat. G for gate. H. H says H. H says H. H for hat. H for hut. H for hen. So H says H. H says H. H for hat. H for hen. H for hut. I. This is I. I says I. I says I. I for ink pot. I says igloo. I for igloo. I for ink pot. I for igloo. So I says I. I says I. I for ink pot. I for igloo. J. J says J. J says J. J for joker. J for jackal. J for jug. So J says J. J for joker. J for jackal. J for jug. K. K says K. K says K. K says K. K for kite. K for key. K for kettle. K for kite. K for key. K for kettle. So K says K. K says K. K for kite. K for kettle. K for key. L. L says L. L says L. Keep your tongue like this while saying L. L for not L. L for L. L for L. L. So L says L. L for lotus. 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 So L says L. L. L for lotus. L for lock. L for lock. L for lion. L for lion. So L says L. L says L. L for lotus. L for lock. L for lion. M. Now M. M says M. M says M. No more. M says M. So M for mango. M for monkey. M for mug. So M says M. M. Mango. Monkey. Mug. So M says M. M says M. M for mango. M for monkey. M for mug. So M says M. M. Make your lips like this. M. Pronounce it like this. M for M. No more. M for M. Mango. Monkey. M for mango. M for monkey. M for mug. Now N. N says M. N says M. Again lip, tongue. M. Keep it upper. M. N says M. N for nest. N for net. Net. N for nib. So M says nest. M says net. M says nib. O. O says O. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for ox. So O says O. O for orange. O for ostrich. O for ox. O says O. P. P for P. P for P. P. Parrot. P for pillow. P for pen. So P says P. P says P. P says P. P says, yes, P says P. Practice it. After saying my, after me. P says P. Now Q says Qu. Q says Qu. Practice. Q says Qu. Qu. So Q says Q for quill. Q for quilt. So Q says Qu. Q for quill. Q for quilt. R. R says R. No R. R says R. R for rose. Rose. So we say R for R. R for R. R for rose. R for rabbit. R for rat. So R says rose. R says rabbit. R says rat. Next is S. Repeat after me, okay? Practice. S. See my videos and practice this phonics at home. S. S. S says S. S says S. S. S says S. No sir. See? S says S. S. Very easy. S. We say na sh. So here we pronounce that S is S. S is socks. S is spoon. S is soup. Sorry, soap. S is soap. So S for S. S. Shoe. Sorry. S is socks. Socks. Spoon. Spoon. Soap. So S is S. Practice a lot. This is for smaller children, those who are in the kindergarten, for them only. S is S. S is S. 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 Socks. S. Socks. S. Spoon. S. Spoon. S. So now T says T. T says T. Tomato. T for tap. T for table. So T says T. T says T. T for tomato. T for tap. T for table. Here you have to practice here. S for S. S. No sir. Say S for S. U for A. U says A. U says A. So A for umbrella. A for uniform. U for urn. So U says A. U says A. Umbrella. Uniform. Urn. No uniform, balki uniform. So V. V says 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 V. So V for vase. V for violin. V for van. So V says V. V says V. W. W for W. V says V. W says W. W says W. So here we have W for watermelon. W for watch. W for window. So W says W. W for watermelon. Watermelon. Watch. So W says W. W says W. Watch, watermelon, and window. Now X is X. X is X. X is X. Xmas tree. X-ray. Y. Y says Y. Y says Y. Y, yak, and yacht. Z said Z. Z said Z. Z says Z. Zebra. Zip. Zip. So Z said Z. Zebra. Zip. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Now till here we have completed. You practice by seeing my videos. Practice this pronunciations, this phonics word, alphabetical phonics from A to Z. I have shown you very well on this video how to say this. A says A, B says B, B, C says K, D says D, E says A, F says F. Like this you practice, and it will improve your child. If any elder at home is watching my videos, then you can teach the younger ones at home by seeing my videos how these phonics words are are used, so that it will help in the upper classes. For class 1, class 2, this is the basic studies. This is needed. This is very compulsory, this phonics word. So next video till here. This is my video till here. Thank you.